Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jack up an Infiniti G35 safely. Before you begin, ensure your car is on a flat, level surface. Engage the parking brake firmly and place wheel chocks behind the rear wheels. This prevents any accidental movement. Safety is paramount, so always use jack stands once the vehicle is lifted. Never rely solely on the jack for support while working underneath. To lift the front of your G35, find the sturdy front crossmember located behind the engine. This is a strong central point designed for jacking. Carefully position your floor jack directly underneath its center. Slowly pump the jack handle to raise the vehicle. Once it's at your desired working height, place 2 jack stands securely under the designated pinch welds or frame rails, one on each side. For the rear of your Infiniti G35, the ideal central jacking point is the rear differential. This is a very strong and stable component. Carefully position your floor jack directly beneath the center of the differential. Begin to slowly raise the vehicle. Once the rear is at the desired height, place 2 jack stands securely under the rear subframe or the designated frame points, ensuring they are stable before lowering the car onto them. When you are ready to lower your G35, first slightly raise the vehicle with your floor jack, just enough to take the weight off the jack stands. Carefully remove both jack stands. Then, slowly and steadily release the pressure on your floor jack, allowing the car to descend gently to the ground. Once all 4 wheels are firmly on the ground, remove the floor jack and the wheel chocks. Double-check everything before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.